डाउन सिंड्रोम इज एक्चुअली अ जेनेटिक कंडीशन. इट हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम डुप्लीकेशन, जिसको आप रोक नहीं सकते हो या ठीक भी नहीं कर सकते हो. इट फील्स लाइक अ बॉर्न विद रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. योर पेरेंट्स ऑल द टाइम टेल यू बेबी सिट अ किड और a toddler. Many people around them did tell them that why do you want to raise up a kid like this. That might be a reason why I grew very responsible. I had those things that let me figure out things, let me handle things, let me do things. We actually thought that he's not understanding and it is a problem, but no, that was a blessing. When he started understanding that he's not like other kids, that was when the problem started for us. The managerial instincts are not because of MBA, the managerial instincts are because of my upbringing.
What is Down syndrome? For some of our viewers, it will be very useful in their life.
डाउन सिंड्रोम इज एक्चुअली अ जेनेटिक कंडीशन. इट हैपेंस बिकॉज ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम डुप्लीकेशन, जिसको आप रोक नहीं सकते हो या ठीक भी नहीं कर सकते हो. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि if he's born with Down syndrome over the years we can cure it. No, we can't, because it's a genetic condition. The person is born with extra copy of chromosome, जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि आपका जो बॉडी और ब्रेन का डेवलपमेंट है वो नॉर्मल जैसे होना चाहिए वैसे नहीं होता है. इट गिव्स यू अ डिलेड से फिजिकल ग्रोथ. They also look alike, so they have distinct facial features. A little almond size, almond shaped eyes, a flat nose bridge, a smaller head, and they also have increased certain issues. Most of the Down syndrome the children cannot talk like we do. They do not have a written memory, which also makes it difficult for them to study in a school in a normal environment, क्योंकि वो लिखा हुआ याद नहीं कर सकते. So if I tell you that this is A and this symbol is called as A, this symbol is called as B, I tell you thrice, you remember it as a kid because their grasping power is very high. In Down syndrome, we have tried that for years with my brother, but he still does not remember this symbol is A and this is B, cannot differentiate. So, mostly what I have observed is they have visual memory, they can remember people, they can remember songs. He knows all the lyrics of all the songs. He can operate devices because he has a very good visual memory. ऐप के कलर और उससे उसको समझ आएगा कि दिस इज इंस्टाग्राम, दिस इज व्हाट्सएप, दिस इज वीडियो कॉलिंग फीचर, दिस पर्सन का डीपी इज मेरी दीदी का कॉल आ रहा है वीडियो कॉल. ही कैन अंडरस्टैंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. ही कांट टाइप माय नेम ऑन व्हाट्सएप. He can't read and write. He has a good visual memory.
My wife's brother has Down syndrome too. But one of the things I asked my wife is, Ki, why did it happen? And she said one of the reasons was that her mother was slightly older when she had the child. And I think there's some correlation between the age of the mother and Down syndrome. Was that something similar in your family?
My mom was 22 when she delivered my brother. My mom was 19 or 20 when I was
Oh,
born.
wow.
In my family, what I've seen is it's genetic. A lot other siblings of my dad and people
उनके भी
in
थे
the
डाउन
younger
syndrome
generations.
in your
हाँ, हाँ.
family?
Not like Down syndrome, but I know of other genetic conditions that the elder people in the family have had, and we have had a history. So I think it might be a genetic condition. My mom and dad tell me that when they used to visit doctors, they did not really have an idea. The only idea that was provided to them is the growth isn't well. So that could also mean that the child's weight is not well, or the growth, as in like thoda slow hai, aise sab. So only that was being told, which for which they increase the supplements of say vitamins or whatever they do for it. But now I think the technology and everything is enabled so that there are symptoms or there are cues which you can take and understand. So people do understand it within the pregnancy time.
How did it affect your family? And how is your brother doing? Like, do kids with Down syndrome get to have a happy life?
It feels like you're born with a responsibility. Your parents all the time tell you to, babysit a kid or a toddler. And you're not really expected to babysit a toddler of like a year or 2 or 3 when you're yourself 7, 8 years old. My parents had a very hard time in the initial 2, 3 years. Many people around them did tell them that why do you want to raise up a kid like this? Are there not options to, not raise a kid like this?
Sure,
And
that's yeah.
it was, yeah, because it's not just about them having difficult time to raise the kid. They also have to think who will take care of the kid or the baby after them. As I grew up, they did find confidence in me and they did start understanding that maybe I will be the one taking care of him after them. though that does not solve their problems or the concerns, obviously, but now they've grew stronger with it. My brother has become more social. He has started talking to people. Earlier in his growing age, he was very shy. We actually thought that he's not understanding and it is a problem, but no, that was a blessing. When he started understanding that he's not like other kids, that was when the problem started for us, because he started learning that kids around him are going to normal schools, he's not. Kids around him can do things that he's not able to. So he also started spotting differences, and after some years he gained the maturity to understand that there's something special about him. And that actually became a challenge for us to explain him that yes, you're right, but then you have to accept it. In his teenage, like the last 5 years or so, he's growing very bravely and maturely. So now he frames sentences well, he talks to people. Now his language is understandable by normal people. Earlier it was like हम सिर्फ घर वाले लोग समझ पाते थे कि वो क्या बोल रहा है. That might be a reason why I grew very responsible. That might be a reason that I always have the urge of doing multiple things. And that also might be a reason why I always want to have charge of things, because I was put in a spot where I was, I grew up that way. I had those things that let me figure out things, let me handle things, let me do things. So the managerial instincts are not because of MBA, the managerial instincts are because of my upbringing.